Myself, Ansari Tahir Tasneem, Haji Muhammad from JT Arts, Science and Commerce College, Malegaon. My topic is Indian economic environment. Let us introduce what is the meaning of economic environment. Economic environment means those external factors which have direct economic impact on any business. इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट मीन्स वो बैरूनी फैक्टर्स जो कि डायरेक्टली हमारे बिजनेस पर असरअंदाज होते हैं. इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट इंक्लूड्स दैट एटमॉस्फेयर इन विच business activities are done. The profit, production, investments are determined by economic environment. इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट में हमारे अतराफ़ के तमाम माहौल बिजनेस का और इसके अलावा प्रॉफिट, प्रोडक्शन, हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट, these are determined by the economic environment. Let us define the economic environment. The economic environment is a combination of various economic factors which have their effect on the working of the business. Economic environment, this is a combination of various economic factors. Various economic factors का combination है जो कि असरअंदाज होता है हमारे बिजनेस की और हमारे वर्किंग पर. Economic environment is the factors in the economy such as inflation, unemployment, interest rate, etc. that influence the buying decisions of consumers and organization. इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट जो है वो फैक्टर्स उन इकोनॉमी के हैं कुछ इस तरीके से कि जो असरअंदाज होते हैं इन्फ्लेशन, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, शरह सूद और उसके अलावा बाइंग डिसीजन, खरीदो फरोख्त का जो फैसला होता है ऑफ द कंज्यूमर्स एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. What are the factors which affects the economic environment? Economic environment includes internal economic factors as well as the external economic factors. In these internal economic factors, in which number one is the human resources. Then second is money. Third is the machinery. That is the physical asset upon which the works are done. Number four is the management of the human resources, money and machinery. And number five is the marketing. These are the internal economic factors which affects the economy. Then external economic factors include the economic factors, political factors, technological factors. Number four is socio-cultural factors. Fifth is educational factors and the sixth is natural factors. In which economic factors, mainly these factors in this sense that the external economic factors, in these economic factors are the greatest impact on the economic environment of any economy. Economic factors which are on the economic system, economic condition, economic policies, capital formation, and thus the industrial development and the business organization. In this economic system, that is the system in which we works, the capitalism, socialism, and the mixed economy. Economic condition, GDP, taxes, national income, unemployment, wages, inflation, interest rate, per capita income, and the different types of the growth of the foreign trade. In these political factors which are the political affecting on the economic environment, that is the ideology of the ruling party, nature and power of the bureaucracy, corruption level, foreign trade policy, internal trade policies, political stability, and the level of political morality. These political factors are most dynamic and changes according to the time. The technological factors. In the fast developing era of the use of new techniques of production, technical development and adoption of these technical know-how influence the economic environment of the country. टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल करना आज के इस न्यू एरा में बहुत ही ज़्यादा अहम हो गया है. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, न्यू इनोवेशंस, internal connectivity, wireless charging, engine efficiency. These efficiency factors, technological factors include the methods, techniques and approaches for the production of goods and services and its distribution also. While in socio-cultural factors have great impact on the economic factors like demographic changes, trends in the lifestyle, work, thinking, custom, religion, and these are very important to the every economy. Other things, the educational factors and the natural factors also helps the economy for the development of the country to change the environment in the economic sense. Then these external factors, they are beyond the company's control. These factors either large scale, macro, or the small scale, that is micro. Some of the large scale factors are the unemployment, inflation, interest rate, taxes, GDP, exchange rate, consumers' confidence, monetary as well as the fiscal policy. While small scale or the micro factors are demand and supply, market size, suppliers, distribution chain. स्मॉल स्केल फैक्टर्स में आते हैं डिमांड और सप्लाई, मार्केट साइज, मार्केट का जो साइज है, तमाम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चेन. इन शॉर्ट, economic environment is a combination of various economic factors which have their effect on the working of the business. अगर शॉर्ट में कहा जाए तो इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट कॉम्बिनेशन है मुख्तलिफ इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स का जो कि असर अंदाज होते हैं बिजनेस के कामों पर. Let us conclude this topic. These internal and external economic factors are not static, but they are changeable and keep changing from time to time according to the market condition. मार्केट कंडीशन जिस तरीके से होते हैं उस तरीके से ये इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स जो है वो चेंज हो जाते हैं. Thus, economic environment is dynamic in nature, changeable in nature, and changes according to the government policies. बदल जाते हैं गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसीज़ के बदलने से, हुकूमतों के बदल जाने से, पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन सियासी हालात की वजह से, रिसोर्सेस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. थैंक यू. थैंक्स ए लॉट.